This Etsy store is making $6K a month selling a wall art design anyone can now create in seconds using AI. In today's video, I'll guide you through this best-selling wall art design that is making massive revenue, how I use prompts from ChatGPT to create stunning images with this AI platform, and how you can start selling your own version today, even if you've never designed anything before. While browsing through Etsy Marketplace, I came across a particular niche that really caught my attention: Gogh-style wall art. At first glance, it looks like a traditional art print, something you might find in a gallery or a museum gift shop. But as I looked closer, I noted that multiple sellers were offering this style of designs, each with their own unique twist. Some features cozy cottages under starry skies, others shows bustling cityscapes in that unique brush style that Van Gogh is known for. One shop in particular stood out, not because it had most listings, but because it had an impressive shop reviews for this product. And looking at the reviews, you notice that nearly every product had consistent sales. So I decided to dig deeper using Etsy analytics tool like Alura. I ran a full analysis on the shop listings. That's when I discovered something surprising. One single design, a simple Van Gogh style garden design, was quietly generating over $4K in the last 12 months and over $11K in total revenue. And this wasn't a hand-printed canvas, it was all generated using AI. And you can see that this store alone has brought in over $200K in total revenue and $6K in monthly sales just by selling these Van Gogh designs. This seller didn't just copy Van Gogh's original work, instead they applied his style to a trending design niche like popular cities, all through the lens of Van Gogh painting techniques. This concept attracts buyers from both niches, making it the key to its success. Now, if you were a traditional artist, replicating this style manually could take hours, even days. But thanks to the advancement in AI, this process has become much faster and easier. This is where AI comes in. There are several AI platforms out there, but I found a particular platform that didn't just give me better results, it also has Van Gogh at its art style. This AI is called AIease, a game-changing platform built specifically for creators who want to generate stunning artwork with minimal effort. What makes AIease stands out isn't just how fast it is, it's how versatile and powerful it is. With AIease, you're not just getting a text-to-image generator, you're getting a full creative studio in one place. It lets you supercharge your editing workflow 10 times faster using its AI powerful toolset. Here's what's possible: generating beautiful artwork in popular style like Van Gogh, anime, digital painting, and more using just a simple prompt. Enhance image quality, remove unwanted backgrounds or objects, and even clean up watermark instantly. Gives you access to all creative tools in one dashboard just by clicking on the AI tool or AI editor tab. Whether you're an artist or a print-on-demand seller or a complete beginner, AIease helps you create polished professional designs in seconds, no design skills needed. So if you want to start creating wall art design fast using AI, I've added a link in the description that will lead you to this incredible AI platform so you can explore everything this tool offers. Now, before you head to AIease to create your images, we first need to create a prompt for our design. To do this, I'll be using ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, I first instruct it, then describe the image concept, and added a specific instruction to refine the result. ChatGPT generated the exact prompt I needed, so I copied the prompt and pasted it into AIease. I changed the aspect ratio, then chose Van Gogh as the image style and click Generate. And these were the images I got from AIease. I also tried other prompts and got all these amazing results. But that wasn't all. I was able to put together 100 more prompts you can use to craft similar designs. And also a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. But you're not done yet, because there are two other important factors. The first is the pixel quality of the image. Since this is a wall art design to be sold digitally, the resolution of the design matters. So it's best to always upscale it after generating it from AI. The best part, AIease has the upscale features, making it easy to increase the resolution of the designs. The second is the image sizes. It's advisable not to create a separate design for each size. Instead, export your design in the highest frame size within a specific ratio category. This allows customers to easily scale it down to their preferred size. And you can easily do this in Canva by using one of these sizes as your custom size. Also, remember to use a good thumbnail, as it's the first thing any buyer sees. You can easily find suitable thumbnail by searching for frame on wall in the Canva element section. Choose one and import your design and place it to fit within the frame. Once everything is done, upload your design into Etsy and fill out the necessary information. Once you're done, click publish. If you don't know how to set this part properly, I have a video that will guide you through that in details. And just like that, you've created a digital product that has the potential of selling fast. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.